and welcome. In this tutorial video I would like to explain to you the image cropping tool of the Imalytics Preclinical Software. And you can find the image cropping tool on the left side of the software in the mouse mode toolbar, here symbolized by these blue scissors. And the image cropping tool is useful, for example, if you have a data set where several mice were scanned at the same time. So for example, here I have a PET CT scan of 4 mice scanned in a mouse hotel. And normally for image analysis, you focus only one animal at one time. So we have to crop the data set that we have only one animal left. And with the image cropping tool, we can crop the segmentation, the underlay, and the overlay combined together or independently from each other. So first I will show you how to crop the segmentation. Therefore I select this button here. Now I simply surround with my mouse or my cursor the structure I want to keep. So now only the bladder of this mouse is left. And yes, I crop the segmentation in this way. Now I go to the underlay. And in a similar way, I surround one mouse with my left mouse button. I release the mouse button and now the underlay was cropped. I undo it, so I can use the undo button of the Imalytics Preclinical to undo the operation. And now I will only crop the overlay. And now only the PET signals for this animal are left. Normally in practice, you would use the segmentation, underlay, overlay, crop together. So now again, I surround this animal, and now I have like all the information I need for one animal. I have the underlay, the CT, I have the overlay, the PET data, and my segmentation of the bladder. Then I would save this data set and go back, and then I can crop the next animal. You can use the image crop in 2D and in 3D. If you want to use it in 3D, you have to align your animals in a good way that you can surround it in 3D. Of course, you can zoom in, then it's more accurate. Like this. But in some cases, it's more practical to use the 2D slice views. We have some special buttons here. This one, for example, here you can enter manually some values for the cropping. This one enables the cropping of the image layers and segmentations to the bounding box of the input class. So I have as input class selected the bladder. When I press here, I forgot to undo it, but now it's cropped onto the bladder. And this one enables the removal of zero-value borders and time points, and this can be helpful if you have a lot of black background and a large data set. You can use this function, and it can reduce the size of your image data set. Okay, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.